I'm Fred Hoskins. I'm Senior Director of the Office of Central Cooperative Education Services. And I have the very pleasant assignment this afternoon of serving as the host of the 2009 Cooperative Education Awards.
We have 13 co-op awards that are outstanding co-op awards, and then another 3 that are what we call named awards. They're named after either former distinguished faculty or former heads of co-op in past years.
They honor representative students, and they in total do an amazing array of co-op opportunities. This group is the one that, if you look at their package of 3 co-ops and the other things they've accomplished during their career, are exemplary, but not that far removed from an awful lot of our students. They do amazing things.
I'd have to say my most recent co-op in Brazil was the most enjoyable because I incorporated my love for performing arts into other loves I have as well, such as learning new languages.
I worked at Apple out in Cupertino, California, and I worked in the iPod hardware group. I helped design the new Nano, worked on the click wheel for that, and that was, I sat in a lab. It was a 100% hands-on experience. I met some awesome people. Lived in California for 6 months.
Northeastern has been doing this for 100 years, and we strongly believe, obviously, that the combination of real-life experience combined with a quality academic experience is the best way to prepare students, not necessarily for their first job, but for the future.
After my co-op at Johnson & Johnson, they offered me a position to be part of the Sales Leadership Development Program, specifically working on Neutrogena products in Los Angeles, California.
Our sense is that if our students are automatically learning across context, in the classroom and then in the field, in their places of co-op opportunity, they're going to be learning in a different way. They're going to learn their material better, deeper, they're going to be able to use it later, and potentially it's going to help them with lifelong learning.
I've just been accepted to the Rhode Island School of Design for their Masters of Architecture program, so I will enroll in September.
I was accepted to MIT in their electrical engineering program, and I'm going to pursue a master's or PhD there.
Co-op is transformative. It's an opportunity for our students to see life in a totally different way.
I expect a lot more from architects, from being abroad, and what architects there, how they solve design problems is completely different than how we do things here in America.
Once I had a co-op, I knew that electrical engineering is what I wanted to do. And the great thing about co-op is it doesn't always teach you exactly what you want to do, but it teaches you what you don't want to do.
I started looking for co-ops. I wanted to go into event planning, and it's definitely still a passion of mine. It's something that I do on campus. However, the opportunity for working at Johnson & Johnson presented itself, and through that co-op experience, I really learned a lot about the consumer products industry, the retailing industry, and it definitely sparked my interest in it and has led me to my future career.
It was very liberating. It was a lot of fun.
I can safely say it's one of the best experiences of my entire life.